Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about the SE5 and the work it needs. Mark down in Wales has sent me a couple of videos on WhatsApp. I've had a very brief look at these, but I haven't watched them in detail, so this is going to be as close to a natural reaction as you're going to get. I know already that the car is not as good as I thought it was. Here goes. First photo is car outside, looking good. It looks all good. Next photo is, I think, of the belly under the car. That's not looking so good. Next one is a wheel. And there's play in the wheel. That's not good. What could that be? That could be what, wheel bearing, something like that. Right, here we go.
To me, this is underneath your car. I don't put these brake lines in, but they're all over the fucking place, and they're all just going to be thrown out. And just look into it properly, it's just disgusting.
Wow.
These fuel pipes need sorting out. I don't know what's going on with these brake pipes here. I've seen anything like that before, ever.
So whoever's done the brake lines has literally just sort of shoved them in and they're just bent all over the place. They're not right at all.
These fuel pipes rubbing on the anti-roll bar.
That's good. There's fuel pipes rubbing on the anti-roll bar. Thank God I got it checked.
You've got water leak up there.
You've got water leak.
You've got water leak from the radiator.
So we've got two water leaks, one of which is from the radiator.
Power steering pipes, need some of them.
Power steering pipes are knackered.
This arm. There's a new bush on there.
So it needs new bushes, to be expected.
Someone's butchered the floor to get at that bolt for this arm. You can see right through to the other side there. So that needs to be sorted.
Someone's cut the floor on the car to get to one of the bolts. What have they done to this car?
Excuse the noise. ABS rings. Nothing there. There. Both sides.
So the ABS rings, these are basically, they look a little bit like cogs, and a sensor, I think it's a magnetic sensor, and it reads the pulses like between the high and the low, but both of the rings are very corroded and cracked, so the ABS wouldn't work.
That's why it's squeaking. Yeah, the others are squeak. Yeah, other than that, tyres are fucked.
Yeah, other than that, tyres are, yeah.
She's got the bits soft in places.
So she's a bit soft, a bit of corrosion on the belly.
We're going to have a look at that. Bowler. Someone's done something by here. I don't know how legitimate that is, so we'll have to have a look at that. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad.
So not too bad.
That's the car. Someone's got a filter on it. Hey.
So they've done all this work on this car, all this bodging, and then they put a brand new fuel filter on it.
That's going to need sorting.
Well, the rear valance. They always go on the Calibra, the rear valance.
Yeah. Few bits and pieces.
Well, that's going to keep him busy and my bank account empty. There's another video.
Right, bodywork wise, that thing there. A couple of scrapes on there, a bit of rust coming on there, nothing major. Fucking bubble there in the paint.
Oh, that's great. Bubble in the paint. Oh right, so they painted the bottom.
Good.
They painted the bottom of the car, not done a very good job of it.
Well, yeah. Bubble there.
A little bit of rust on the sill, yeah, knew about that.
Lacquer peel under there, that's because it's been painted.
Oh, right, lacquer peel under the car, the bottom quarter of the car.
It's been blown in badly.
A shoddy job on the paintwork.
Scrapes and scratches. Just give you an idea of what it's like down low. Skip some above there. Rust on the arches here, come in.
Rust on the arches.
Scratches.
Some scratches.
Over there, over there. Again, this has been, you can see, still the orange peel. They're coming now! There it is. See the runs in the paint?
Oh Christ, little runs in the paint.
Yeah, see the runs in the paint?
Come on, you paint a car, do it properly.
Rust across along the doors. Obviously know about that, and then you know about the rest of it.
So, the SE5 is not as good as I thought it was going to be. Good news is that I am going to spend the money on the car. So it's down at Ebbs. I spoke to him last night about it, and I think our plan is basically to strip it all back. We're going to take all the interior out, we're going to sort out all the floor on it, all of the chassis, and then I'm pretty sure we're going to respray the entire car back to the original colour, the jet black, and then put it all back together. So it should be a really clean example of an SE5, and there's only 10 of the SE5 on the road, so hopefully this will be number 11. Hopefully it'll be one of the best ones on the road. That's what I want to get it to. The timeline for this is probably going to take about a year, because we're going to fit it around other jobs, and also I need to save up all the cash to pay for it all, because this is going to probably cost in the region of, I don't know, £4,000 or £5,000 rather than a few £100, which is what I was hoping for. But anyway, that's the update on the SE5. It probably won't feature on the channel now for about a year, but make sure you hit that subscribe button, and as soon as it's back you'll be the first to know about it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I apologise for Mark's swearing, but if you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And also remember to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers right now, so if you can subscribe, please do. It is really appreciated. Until next time, thanks very much for watching. Oh, try and get this one MOT'd now. I want to go and play in this one. This is all I want to do in the SE5. Just. This one's going for an MOT, so this will be in probably the next video. Dog doesn't like it. Do you not like that? Oh, puppy! Oh, do you not like Daddy's car? No? You don't like Daddy's car? You might make you scared. Oh, what's that noise? What is that noise? Is that car scary? No. You may have noticed this one in a short clip that I did to introduce the video. I'm trying to do a piece to camera. I know you just want to play. This is Willow. She's currently, she's just over 3 months old. She's literally 3 months and a week old. And she's adorable, aren't you, darling? She's a little cockapoo. Would you like to see more of Willow in the videos? Put a note in the comments below if you'd like to see more of Willow in the videos. She's got her own Instagram as well. It's Willow in the Willows. You okay? Did that scare you? Oh, you sleepy. She's sleepy. She had a lot of exercise yesterday, far too much exercise. Come on, you. Let's go put you to sleep. Not like that, don't worry. Bet you're hungry as well, aren't you? Hello. Oh, kisses, yes. Come on then. Let's take you in. Oh.